Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm really glad to see you. Welcome to Live Ed, where education comes alive. Our topic today is how to use the present simple tense to speak about the future. In English, there are several structures that we can use to talk about the future, and one of these structures is the present simple tense. First, let's look at the form. And let's begin with a positive sentence. I start work at 8. You start work at 8. They start work at 8. We start work at 8. If our sentence begins with he, she, or it, we add s to our verb. For example, he starts work at 8. She starts work at 8. It starts work at 8. To make a negative sentence, we use do not or does not. With I, you, we, and they, we use do not. And a short form is don't. I don't start work at 8. I do not start work at 8. I don't start work at 8. You don't start work at 8. They don't start work at 8. We don't start work at 8. He does not start work at 8. Does not, doesn't. It's a short form. He doesn't start work at 8. She doesn't start work at 8. It doesn't start work at 8. In a negative sentence, we don't add s to our verb. He doesn't start work. She doesn't start work. If we want to ask a question, we use do or does and change the word order. Do you start work at 8? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do we start work at 8? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do they start work at 8? Yes, they do. No, they don't. With he, she, or it, we use does. Does she start work at 8? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does he start work at 8? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Does it start work at 8? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Or we can ask a question using a question word. What time do you start work? At 8. What time do they start work? At 8. What time does he start work? At 8. What time does she start work? At 8. Normally, we use the present simple tense when we speak about things that people do regularly. But in some situations, we can use the present simple to speak about the future. So, when do we do this? Situation number 1. We use the present simple tense to speak about the future if we have a timetable, a program, or if we speak about working hours. A timetable is usually about some type of public transport, a bus, a tram, a train, or a plane. A program is usually about television or cinema, and working hours, we have working hours in museums, shops, banks, and other places like that. Let's look at some examples. Hey, hurry up! Our train leaves in 5 minutes. Our train leaves in 5 minutes. In this sentence, we have in 5 minutes, so it's about the future. But at the same time, we have a timetable, and the train leaves according to this timetable. So, we speak about the future, but as we have a timetable, we use the present simple tense in this situation. The train leaves in 5 minutes. Or one more example. What time does the film start tonight? Again, in this sentence, we have tonight. So it's about the future. But at the same time, this sentence is about a TV program or about the cinema. So we have a program. That's why we use the present simple tense. What time does the film start tonight? Or the bank opens at 9 o'clock tomorrow. This sentence is about the future because we have tomorrow, but at the same time, in this situation, we speak about working hours. So the bank opens at 9 o'clock tomorrow. We use the present simple tense. Situation number 2. We sometimes use the present simple tense to speak about our personal plans, if these plans are fixed like a timetable. For example, I start my new job next Monday. It's about the future, it's about next Monday. But at the same time, this plan is fixed. It's like a timetable for us. So we can use the present simple tense here. However, people more often use the present continuous tense or be going to speak about their personal plans. It sounds more natural, and usually we use these structures, but sometimes we can use the present simple as well. So, once again, do we use the present simple tense to speak about the future? Yes, sometimes we do. Do we use the present simple tense to speak about the future when we have a timetable, a program, or when we speak about working hours? Yes, we do. In these situations, we use the present simple tense. Do we use the present simple tense to speak about our plans for the future if these plans are fixed, like a timetable? Sometimes we do, but in most situations, we use the present continuous tense or be going to in this context. We have 2 great videos that will teach you how to speak about the future. They are how to use the future simple tense and how to speak about your plans and make predictions. Watch these videos and you will speak about the future like a pro. To learn more, join our live lessons. The link to our website is under this video. Thank you, good luck, and have fun!